Alright, so today we are using two sounds, a song and a sound effect. So we have our video going up right here. We have our song. We can just drag it in, put it over. So I think that's a bit loud for my taste. So select this clip and go to audio. Now, with this clip selected, see if you can tell it's on audio 2. This is audio 2, so if we play, this is loud. So if we bring it down, it's not as loud. Right? So now we go back to editing. No, but enough X. And now I want to add our sound effects. So laughter, take it, you drag it, and drag it into the audio 3 space. Now, so that's kind of chaotic. So we can also turn down the laughter, see audio 3. Down. But let's say you want the song to stop and the laughing to start. Very simple. So as discussed in a previous video, you click the razor tool or C. With the gray arrow, you can see that means it's at the start of the laughter clip. Just click right there to cut, and same at the end. Now go to V and click on this and just delete it. Now, just for organization purposes, I usually bring this in, but it really doesn't matter where you put it. It just sounds like it would just like sound like this. And then fast forward. So there you go.